Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see the recruitment news from NPCIL, that is Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, is recruiting for 8 categories. So we'll be seeing the category details, the qualifications, salary details, the age details, application process and the selection process, everything detailed in this video. Okay. So the recruitment is from NPCIL, that is Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, and the location of job is Rajasthan. Okay. Now I'll be sharing the post details first. The first post is stipendiary trainee for diploma, also for science graduate. So it is a trainee recruitment. The second one is scientific assistant C. It is a permanent job. Then third one, scientific assistant B, it is again a permanent job. So only the first category, that is stipendiary trainee, is a trainee recruitment. Other jobs are permanent jobs. Okay. So scientific assistant C, scientific assistant B, then assistant grade 1 for HR department, then assistant grade 1 for F&A department, then steno grade 1 and sub officer. So these are the categories of recruitments happening. Now we'll be seeing the details of the various posts. Okay. First we'll be seeing the details for stipendiary trainee for diploma. Okay, so this recruitment is actually mainly concentrating on the diploma people. All posts, actually mostly all the posts are recruiting diploma people. Okay. So first one is stipendiary trainee for diploma. So the branches they are recruiting is mechanical with 61 vacancies, electrical with 22 vacancies, instrumentation 7 vacancy, electronics 22 vacancy. Okay. And the qualification they are asking is diploma with 60% of mark, and you don't require any experience. Okay. So this is for freshers. Then the stipend is for the first year of training, you will be getting 16,000 per month as stipend. For the second year, you will be getting 18,000 per month. And also they have given in a clear format in the notification that after your training, you will be getting a permanent job. That is based on your performance. You will be posted as a permanent post. And after that, your salary will be 35,400 rupees. Okay, so even if you are getting recruited as a trainee, you will get the permanent job if your performance is good during the training period. Okay. And the age limit for the stipendiary trainee diploma is from 18 years to 25 years. That is, the maximum age limit is 25 years. Okay. So that's all about the details for stipendiary trainee diploma. Next is stipendiary trainee for science graduate. Qualification or the branches they are calling is BSc Chemistry with 15 vacancies and BSc Physics with 15 vacancies. Again, the stipend is for the first year of training, 16,000 per month will be the stipend. And for the second year, 18,000 per month. Again, here also you will be getting the permanent job based on your performance. And after you get the permanent job, your salary will be 35,400. Age limit is also same. 18 to 25 years is the age limit. Okay. So that is the details for the stipendiary trainee for diploma and science graduates. Next is scientific assistant C. So they are recruiting the safety supervisor and for civil branch. And the qualification you require for safety supervisor is BSc/diploma in any branch. Okay. 60% with the 60% of mark. And also for civil, you should require a diploma in civil branch with 60%. And also since it is a permanent job, you also require a 4-year experience. So here you require an experience of 4 years. Okay. And the salary they are saying is 44,900. Since you also have a 4-year experience, since it is a permanent job also, the salary is very good. 44,900 rupees is the salary. Age limit is from 18 to 35 years is a maximum age limit. That is 35 years is a maximum age limit. So that's all about the scientific assistant C details. Next is a scientific assistant B. And here also the qualification they are asking is diploma only. Okay. And the branches they are recruiting is civil, mechanical, electrical and electronics. Again, this is a permanent job. This is not a trainee recruitment. This is a permanent job. So this recruitment is actually a combination of trainee recruitments and permanent position recruitments. Okay. So for scientific assistant B, for these all branches, the qualification they are asking is diploma in the respective branches with 60% of mark, and you don't require a experience. Okay, for scientific assistant B, you don't require an experience, and the salary is 35,400. Okay, and the age is from 18 years to 30 years. That is 30 years is the maximum age limit. Okay, and for the other category of recruitments, that is for assistant grade 1, assistant grade 2, and all other category of recruitments, you can see the qualification details, salary and everything in the notification. Okay, I'll be giving the link in in the description box. You can see it over there. So as I said, the location of posting or job is Rajasthan, and you have to register. That is, you have to apply through the website www.npclcareers.co.in. Okay, so that is the site you have to follow, or you have to apply. I'll be giving that in the description also, and you can apply from 3rd of November. That is, from tomorrow onwards you can apply, and the last date is 24th of November. Okay, so let's see what is the application procedure next. So for applying, first you have to log into that NPCL site, and then you have to do the registration. If you are registering for the first time, you have to do the registration. You have to fill up the form, the name, the mail ID, everything you have to fill, and also the educational details, experience details, and your personal details. Then you have to upload your photo and signature. Just like the normal application procedures, you have to do all the things. That is, you have to fill up all the qualification details and everything. You have to upload your photo and signature, and then submit the application. Okay, so that is the procedure for applying for NPCL recruitment. Then the selection process details. Okay, so selection process will consist of written test and sometimes interview. Some interview may be there or may not be there based on the people who are getting selected through the written examination. Okay, so the first stage will be written examination. There will be 2 sections of written examination. The section 1 will have the general aptitude, the current affairs, everything, and it will be consisting of 60 questions. And section 2 of written examination will be based on your trade. That is, whichever diploma trade you belong to, that trade specific examination will be there. Again, it will consist of 60 questions. So the time duration will be for 2 hours also, and there is no negative marking. Okay, so this written test procedure is a normal procedure conducted by the NPCL. Okay, and the interview may be there or may not be there based on the number of applicants getting shortlisted. Okay, so this is the selection process, and the last date I want to tell you once again, it is 24th November. Okay, so you can apply from tomorrow, that is from 3rd November to 24th of November. I'll be giving the notification link and the link for application, everything in the description. You can see it over there, and also the most important parts of the notification will be included as image towards the end of this video also. You can refer it over there also. Okay, so this is a biggest opening for all the diploma people. So if you are eligible, you don't require any experience also. Okay, so this is the greatest opportunity if you want to work with NPCIL. Okay, so if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.